everyone, and welcome back to a new vlog and to another back with me vlog since it is summer and I'm going on a summer staycation to my sister's place in Ahmedabad. And you know that I do not like to pack alone, so I thought, let me take you along on my packing journey. So, as usual, before we start, I'm going to put a disclaimer and an apology for all the noises that you might hear in the background because somehow construction is going on in three buildings around me and also in my own building. So, there's a lot of knocking noises and also a lot of traffic. So, apologies for that. And also, before we start, I want to tell you that this time I'm packing differently. So, normally I pack around my shoes, but this time I thought I want to do something different because I'm going into the capsule wardrobe mindset nowadays. So, I thought I want to do something like that. You've already seen my summer capsule wardrobe video earlier, and I think that's what inspired me to pack this way. So, what I thought, I gave it a little twist to the summer wardrobe, and I'm gonna do monochromes. Yes, we're gonna do monochromes. All right, so let's start with what I have pulled out from my wardrobe to make the monochrome capsule. So as you can see, I have chosen three colors because honestly, I could find only these three colors in monochromes. As you know, I'm a floral girl, and when you choose floral outfits, there's a lot of pattern and a lot of colors in it, which I didn't want to go for this time. So without further ado, let me show you. So the first one is green monochrome. So I'm going to carry this lovely shirt dress that I have from the brand called Code. I have it for some time now, I think 2 years, and it has been really good. The only thing is that you have to like iron it, and it takes a lot of effort to iron this thing because of the little features that it has. So this is a very smart dress. I can dress it up, I can dress it down as usual. So this is going with me. And strangely, this is the only dress going with me this time, whereas normally I have a lot of dresses and less jeans. But anyway, so continuing with the green theme, I'm going to carry this green pant and this green top. So this is like an off-shoulder top that I have for some time now. This is from a brand called Honey. I don't know, maybe this is a local store purchase. And then this pant from Cross, which I have for some time now. So this is my green color palette. Next, of course, non-negotiable in summers is white. White has to be there. So I'm carrying my new white ankle length denims that I bought, along with two of my favorite white tops. That is this one. This is again from Zudio. It's a very smart top. And then the other one that I'm taking is my Forever New crop top, which is my constant companion nowadays that I love to carry with me. So yeah, this is my another set that I intend to carry this time for fully monochrome look. And this is a wild card I'm taking with me. I'm not sure if I'll be able to wear it anywhere, but this is a very recent purchase. This is from a brand called Mabish. I bought it from Mintra. It was looking very smart. So it's a cord with a nice, like, how do you say, flowy skirt and this jacket. It looks very, very smart. I'll see if I can pull out a picture. But I just wore it recently on a trip with my friend and I love wearing it. The only problem is I find it very difficult to dress it up because the neck is too like low. So I am like forced to wear some t-shirt inside and I don't have really good t-shirts with me. I had worn, when I wore it the first time a few days back, I wore it with my mustard yellow top, which is I think again from Code. I don't remember, but yeah, it looks good. But I want to wear it just like that. If only the neck was not too low, I would wear it just like that. Anyway, babbling now, but this is another thing that's going with me on this trip. Everything, by the way, is purely cotton because Ahmedabad is a very hot city at this point of time in the year, especially. And I'm going in April, the first week of April. So, I mean, by the time you see this video, I'll already be there 2 days down. So, it's very hot, guys. Anyway, so the next color palette is blue. I'm gonna carry my blue jeans, my standard blue monkey wash jeans, and these two tops. So this shirt is from Topshop. This is made in India only, but it has been with me for like forever. I think this was like a sale purchase or something. And this is again from Zudio, the blue version of the white one that I just showed you. I'm in love with these two Zudio tops. I wear them so much in summers. They look so smart. I mean, I have no words for this. So yeah, this is the first time ever I'm carrying a blue with me. I Blue is not a very common color in my wardrobe, honestly. I find it difficult to carry blue, except denim, of course. I have a full denim dress now, sleeveless. I think you've seen it in my in my resort trip video earlier. So yeah, I love that, but I'm not much of a blue girl anymore. So blue is another one that I'm carrying with me. These are all the outfits for daily, routine, office work, going out, hanging out, visiting family, etc., etc. And you won't believe, but for my night outfits also, I have gone a bit OTT, I must say, with my monochrome theme. And I have pulled out two of my monochrome, night outfits, and that is this lovely pajamas and the matching top. Like it's a sleeveless. I'll show you what it looks like. I think I've shown these to you in some other video. But yeah, these kind of tank tops I had got from a street shop in Bandra, I think on Hill Road. And I have bought them, like six of them in different colors. But these two are the ones which have monochrome pants to go with it. So I'm going to carry these two monochrome night suits also. Okay, so that's about it for the outfit choices for the monochrome theme. Now, the accessories to go with it. Let's start with the bags. So, I have chosen this very pretty tote bag, cream and brown, from a brand called David Jonas that I had bought from a local store named Anupam Store. It's David Jonas Parry, and it is very spacious. I love to carry it on journeys. It can carry my laptop, my accessories like tech accessories, and a pair of clothes. I mean, I can put a lot of things in there. As you can see, it's very spacious and very lightweight also. So I love to carry this one with me on this trip. And other bags, I'll tell you, I am deciding between these two sling bags. Both of them are good, but both of them have different kind of purposes. So this is like a small, like pouch kind of sling bag where you can. It is spacious though. It has two like small compartments. It can hold a phone, some cards, cash, and water bottle goes when required. So this is one option, and this is a little larger option. This is in tan color. And this one is also very spacious. My constant companion on like quick trips. It's quite spacious. So I'm kind of deciding between the two. And if I fail to come to a conclusion, then both will go with me. Anyway, so these are the other two bags. Now you must be thinking, why did I choose all brown palette bags where my outfits are all light except this one? Is because I chose to go with the boots as my travel shoes, these tan boots, which have been so good to me this season. I have worn it so much since summers started, despite of them being like lined with like soft material and little spongy, which is more suitable for sort of winters. But I've been wearing this constantly this summer. I wore it to three trips recently, and they are so sturdy and they are I mean soft inside. I find them so cushioned. I don't feel at all that I'm wearing boots. They're so lightweight. The heel is just the right size, like small heel, which is very comfortable for long walking. I have walked kilometers in these shoes and I haven't felt any pain. And they're very like versatile. They can go with skirts, dresses, jeans, shorts, anything. So I'm carrying these, and they're very easy to like pull off and put on. Unlike the other boots where the chain is very stiff, this chain is so lightweight, it just slides down um, very easily while I'm standing, and it goes up also very easily when I want to put them on without me having to bend over or sit or whatever. So these are going to be my travel shoes, and hence, because they are tan, I ended up taking my tan bags because I like to pair my boots with my bags or vice versa. However, boots are not the most practical option for like regular, use and going just for a small walk or anything. So for that, I'm carrying these two footwear. So this is my uh, how do you call it? Tyson slippers. So there'll be my house slippers, and these will be the casual footwear that I will put on in case we are going down for a walk or just somewhere for an errand or something. I wouldn't want to wear the boots for that. So these. And now finally all the other stuff. So my toiletries, and so this one is my pouch for toiletries. I don't know if you're able to see at a distance, but yeah, this has all my necessary stuff for the number of days I'm going there. It has well, my body cream, my moisturizer. Um, it has my body spray. It has my talc. It has my sunscreen, face wash, body wash, and shampoo in these are travel sized bottles which I had bought from Miniso. So I use this pouch, and this I think I had bought from Nika, two of these kind. Then this pouch has all my makeup stuff. So I'm become very, very minimalistic with makeup. Also, as I told you earlier. Uh, so I have like 2 to 3 shades of lipsticks that I use nowadays, and I mix and match the rest with that. So this shade is my base shade. This is from Seven Seas, number 107 Choco Mud. And this is a brighter one. This is Pro Beauty Seven Seas. I can't see the number, but oh well, it's 11 Nudie Mauve. So this is another color. This is a bit like brighter, as you can see. It looks dull on the camera, but it's very bright basically. And then I have 2 shades of Mars, I think, that I used from the Plum collection, that I use as a top shade. And then I have my regular eyeshadow palette from Nika. I also have a new one from my sister, but these are my favorite shades that I use, especially this one. As you can see, it's exhausted. So yeah, that is another thing that is a standard companion with me. And for the first time, I'm carrying this blush, cream blush that my sister had gifted to me when she'd come. So I'm going to try this one for the first time. Let's see if I need to use it someday. And yeah, I'm carrying a nail paint, a little brighter color from Juice. And then, of course, my kajal and CC cream and concealer. And yeah, I'm also carrying the Hazel Hyphen lip balm, 3 of which I bought, and different colors. And of course, my Vaseline petroleum jelly, my brushes. These are my standard brushes. This is for my concealer. This is for my eyeshadow, as you can see the color. And where did the other one go? Yeah, this one. This is the powder brush. And how do you say it? Okay, I can't find the word. Do you guys face this? Like, I don't know how many of you are menopausal, perimenopausal women, but you feel this, right? You forget what you're going to say. You can't find words, and it's kind of annoying, very annoying. I can't find the word for what I do. Yeah, blending. Oh my god, yeah, the blending brush. I finally found the word. Heaven forgive me for this. And then my kajal. Yeah, I guess that's about it I have. So earlier I used to take a very big makeup bag, but now I carry this small little sustainable pouch. And then in this one, I have all my medicines, all my regular medicines or emergency medicines, my eye mask, which I need because I'm a vampire. In this one goes my brush and other stuff. And yeah, this one has all my jewelry. This is also about my sister has given me when she had uh, come here from the US last time. And it has all the jewelry pieces that I'm taking. I'm not sure if you'll be interested in it, but I'm taking most of my cute pieces that will go with um, like most of my outfits. I'm only going to wear these little studs, as you can see, which I wear regularly, the one that I'm wearing now. And I'm also carrying some danglings for my skirt and my dress. I have these from so many years. I don't even remember how many years. These are boho kind of earrings to go with the green dress. So yeah, this is pretty much all the jewelry that I'm taking with me. And this is a very special pouch which goes on every journey with me. Um, and it has all the bits and bobs for emergency. So I have my nail cutter, and I don't have one, but two nail cutters, one for cutting the sides, pointy sides, and one the normal one. And I have a sellotape, for heaven's sake. I don't know when I put that. I have two or three rubber bands. I have a needle and thread, all emergency stuff. I have some bobby pins, and I have some. Oh, I also have TikTok hairpins, and I have a scissor, non-negotiable, and I also have some safety pins. Anything else? Oh, I have toothpicks. Anyway, that's a multi-purpose toothpick, not just for the tooth. A lot of things it does when I need support, help. So this is an emergency situation pouch that I carry with me on all trips, domestic or international. It has to be there. Then this is the makeup uh, cloth, makeup wipe cloth from Melissa again. I have two of these actually. This is the darker one and the lighter one. I don't have the guts to use a lighter one for the makeup because it will stain. I can't use it. But anyway, that's silly. Makeup cloths, and I have tons of masks. I am obsessed with wearing hair um, face mask. Did I say hair mask? Okay, face mask on my journey. I have socks, some innerwear, and my um, scarves, of course, and I have a towel for my hair in case I have to wash my hair, and of course, my very pretty Harry Potter hairbrush. Have I shown you this? I'm not really sure, but it has those magical, these stars in it. I got obsessed with it, and I mean, when that shopkeeper showed it to me, I think in Minnesota. Yeah, this is from Minnesota, and I've been using this since then. And I don't like to use any other hairbrush now. It's so pretty. Okay, folks, so I'm done deciding on all that I want to carry for the trip, and I hope you liked my choices and my combinations. Of course, I'm allowed to do mix and match, that goes without saying. But yeah, overall, I want to keep it monochrome. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like also. Okay, guys, and I'm going to get cracking with packing. I'll see you in the next vlog with a new story, maybe. Who knows? But till then, take care, have fun. Bye bye.